Welcome everyone, thank you for joining us on another box break here on DynastyCentral Sports. This one's going to be a bit of a change because we're going to be relaxing a little bit on this episode as we are going to be hotboxing here with some 2021-22 Pro Set Hockey. Is 2 blasters I picked up. It's a 10 card set plus 1 game used memorabilia card per box. So I'm guessing that each one of these has exactly the same 10 cards and then the mem card is different. So it's going to be a quick rip on this one. So join us on this one because I am actually going to be hotboxing here because I cleaned up my bong for show ready. I got a nice bowl here and I'm gonna rip it right before this one. So join me if you got one or pack one and let's rip here on Dynasty Central Sports. I didn't even clear the whole thing. Let's clear it. All right. Smoke away. Let's rip into this Pro Set 2021-22. Oh, nice. Comes in a nice little hard case for all the cards.
Today, Junior!
Alright, we'll put that down because that's the mem card. Let's go through the 10 card set. We got Brett Hull, Eric Lindros, Gordie Howe, Guy Lafleur, Jaromir Jagr. These feel nice. They're a little much tougher, thicker cardstock than the original Pro Set. We got Mario Lemieux, Marc Messier, Martin Brodeur, Pavel Bure, and Teemu Selanne. And let's see who the mem card is. It is Curtis Joseph. All right, Curtis Joseph. I believe this is on Team Canada, maybe? Or I don't know who this is with. Maybe Team Canada. It's a gray swatch. Curtis Joseph jersey swatch. You've received a memorabilia card from Leaf Trading Cards. It is a game used piece of memorabilia from Curtis Joseph. That's pretty cool. But first, let's have another bowl. I like to do snaps. If you're out there with me, take a snap, take a hit, do whatever. If it's a bowl, if it's a bong, if it's a joint, if you're legal, that's how you do it. But let's go. Another hit here on Dynasty Central Sports. Gotta clear it out. All right, let's see. Yep. It is the exact same set. So we'll only reveal the mem card since we know exactly who is in the set, which cards are which. All right, reveal of the mem card is Brian Leach, and that's a blue swatch.
420.
Nice!
With a Boston Bruins jersey. So most likely it's a New York Rangers swatch. It's nice. With a Boston Bruins jersey, which is very weird to see. You couldn't just get a picture of him in a Rangers jersey and then scrub the logo like you did with everything else?
No.
Well, that's cool. 2 mem cards, and we get some free plastic boxes. This has been Hotboxing with Pro Set 2021-22 here on Dynasty Central Sports. Smash like down below, hit subscribe, and throw us a comment. Love to hear from anyone that's out there. And if you like these cards, let me know if you're interested. And if you're out there ripping bongs with me, enjoy. And we'll see you